A very good morning to you all, children. What makes you feel happy? Getting new clothes, getting a good grade, or going somewhere special? Is it possible to always get what we want? Should we feel upset because we do not get everything we want? What does not getting everything teach us? Should we let greed get the better of us? Now, watch the story about a fisherman who realized too late what really makes us happy. Now, before we start the story, let's keep in mind be generous with what you have. Take joy in giving to others. Consider other people's happiness. Don't envy others who have more. Once upon a time, a fisherman named Ramu and his wife lived in a small mud house near the river. They had no children of their own. Ramu's wife was a good soul who was sad that they did not have a child. One day, while fishing, he discovered a giant crocodile egg on the banks of the river. As he bent to pick up the egg, a voice came in from inside. I am not an ordinary egg. I can take the shape of any creature whenever I want to. Ramu was pleased with what he had found and took the egg home to his wife. Ramu's wife took great care of the egg. Soon the egg hatched to reveal a human child, but it had skin with scales, just like a crocodile. Both Ramu and his wife were disappointed to see how ugly he was. As the days passed, Ramu's wife started treating the child like her own, flesh and blood. For her, this was a son she never had, the son she could call her own. She took great care of him, nurtured him with love and care, and did everything a mother could do for her child. One day, when the child had grown up into a young boy, he told his father, "You should never let me go near the river, father, for if I go inside once, then my human form will be lost forever and I shall turn into a crocodile." Little did he know, but Ramu was already hatching a plot to take him down to the river. All he could think about was the amount of fish he could catch if he were to bring a crocodile to the river. All the fishes could get scared and rush together in one direction, where Ramu could have put his net. Then they could be trapped in the net. Ramu's wife begged him to make a pond for her son beside their house and never take him to the river. She knew that if he went down to the river, she could lose him forever. But Ramu was blinded by greed. Not heeding his wife's request, he took his son down to the river one day. When the boy saw the water, he ran into it. At once, he turned into a crocodile. He slid into the water and disappeared into the river. After waiting for a long time, Ramu went back home empty-handed. He knew what he had done could never be excused. Neither did he catch any fish nor did his son accompany him home. He had lost his son forever. His greed had cost him dear. From this story, we can have a wise thought. If we were less greedy, there could be a lot less needy. After watching the video, you have to learn from the moral of the story and decide yourself from now on I will be aware of other people's wants and needs as much as my own, choose not to focus on what others have, make two lists, wish list and giving list, choose not to focus on what I don't have. Now it's the question time. The first question is his greed had cost him dear. What did Ramu lose because of his greed? What could have happened when he reached home without his son? What did Ramu's wife request her husband to do for her son? What happened when he took his son to the river? Please answer these questions and submit to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.